Hello, and welcome to our sight words video. We are currently on Unit 12. Let's get started. Alright, the first sight word we have, and I'm going to show it on the screen if you want to look at me. This is the sight word why. Why? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say it, then we're going to spell it 3 times, and then we're going to use it in a sentence. So let's go ahead and start. Number 1, say it. Why? Number 2, spell it. Get ready. W-H-Y. Now here's the word why. Let's spell it again. Get ready. W-H-Y. Here's the word why. One more time. Spell it. Get ready. W-H-Y. Here's the word why. Now let's use it in a sentence. Listen to mine. Why is the sky cloudy? Let's read that together. Get ready. Why is the sky cloudy? Okay, go ahead and read it by yourself. Get ready. Good job. All right, remember, this is the word why. Don't forget it. Okay, next one. We have the word big. Here it is. Looking at Miss C. Big. Okay, number 1, say it. Big. Number 2, spell it. Get ready. B-I-G. Big. Again, get ready. B-I-G. Big. One more time. Get ready. B-I-G. Big. Sentence time. My turn. The dog is big. Let's read it together. Get ready. The dog is big. Again, get ready. The dog is big. Your turn. Get ready. Good job. All right, there's big again. Don't forget this one either. All right, our next one is the word have. There it is. Have. Okay, number 1, say it. Have. Number 2, spell it. Get ready. H-A-V-E. Have. Again, get ready. H-A-V-E. Have. One more time, get ready. H-A-V-E. Have. All right, and number 3, use it in a sentence. My turn. We have a cat. Let's read that together. Get ready. We have a cat. All right, your turn. Get ready. Nice. Again, last time, that is our word have. Next word we have is can. All right. Number 1, say it. Can. Number 2, spell it. Get ready. C-A-N. Can. Again, get ready. C-A-N. Can. One more time, get ready. C-A-N. Can. All right, time to use it in a sentence. My turn. Can I help you? Let's read that together. Get ready. Can I help you? One more time. Get ready. Can I help you? And your turn. Get ready. Good job. All right, the last sight word for Unit 12 I have here is fish. All right, number 1, say it. Fish. Number 2, spell it. Get ready. F-I-S-H. Fish. Let's spell it again. Get ready. F-I-S-H. Fish. One more time. Get ready. F-I-S-H. Fish. Good job. Sentence. My turn. My dad caught a fish. Let's read that together. Get ready. My dad caught a fish. And your turn. Get ready. Nice job. And there it is again. Our sight word fish. Alright, so that's Unit 12 sight words. Use this video as much as you need to practice your words. You can also practice using the words in your own sentences. That's great, always great to do. Alright, bye friends.